another video on this channel. In the last video, we spoke about how to deep condition your hair. This time, I promised a video on how to moisturize your hair. Now, I know you may have seen lots of videos on how to moisturize your hair, but there is always something that you overlooked or something that you're not doing, which is why you're inquiring how to properly moisturize your hair. So listen. Firstly, before looking at moisturizing your hair, I want for you to know why your hair is dry. And I have listed a number of reasons why our hair can be dry. Heat, overwashing, and under conditioning. Your hair can be dry because you're exposing it to too much sun, and also there are many other reasons why our hair would be dry, but I just listed some of the most popular ones. Now that we know that our hair is dry, we are going to find a solution to at least help with that problem, because there are some elements that are inevitable and our hair will lose moisture, but knowing how to put that moisture back in is also very important. Deep conditioning is very important to any natural. Why? Because it adds shine to your hair, it promotes elasticity, it has moisture, and also it's one of the damage prevention methods for maintaining and growing your hair. Let's talk about moisturizing your hair. Moisturizing your hair is very important in maintaining healthy hair. I have a line of products which I use to moisturize my hair, and I will be telling you a little bit about each. One of the main products that I use, and this product happens to be from my line, it's the hair growth oil mixture. Now, anytime my hair feels a little dry, a little tired, a little depressed, I go in with this and I use it every single day. So this is a moisture booster. Alright? Another product that I use from my line to moisturize my hair is the hair growth oil serum. Now this one is a mixture of oils, and I will just list a few of the oils that in there. We have castor oil, peppermint oil, olive oil, argan oil, almond oil, to name a few. And this helps my scalp. This product I use specifically for my scalp maintenance. So it helps my hair remain moisturized, but it also helps my scalp. Another product from the line that I love to use to moisturize my hair is this shea butter mixture. This mixture is very, very good for adding back moisture into the hair, especially after you have washed it, and ensuring that your hair is not left dry. I don't know how to put it again, but this shea butter mixture has helped my hair grow, and it also has helped my hair remain moisturized. Another product that I love to use from the line, and it's kind of like a cream based product, this is the Healthy Strands Mango Butter Moisturizer. Another important point that I would like to speak to you about is trimming your ends. Your ends is the oldest part of your hair, and therefore letting go of the oldest part of your hair is very important, so that the new growth could come through very beautifully. Remember, health before length. Washing your hair every week sometimes does damage it, sometimes do damage to it. Washing your hair every week will damage it. Washing your hair every week may damage your hair, right? So I'm suggesting that you co-wash, and I usually use a co-wash every other week, or so say I wash my hair personally every 2 weeks. So if this week I wash with a shampoo and deep condition, the next week I will do a co-wash. To co-wash your hair, I recommend the Healthy Strands Cactus and Aloe Conditioner, and also the Healthy Strands Hair Growth Oil Serum. These two products mixed together will give you a very good co-wash. Now if you want to see a video on how I mix those products to co-wash my hair, let me know in the comments below and I will be doing that video for you. Co-washing your hair would help you maintain moisture for a longer period. We spoke about deep conditioning, co-washing, trimming your ends, moisturizing. We'll now speak about protective styling. Protective styling is a very important to managing and also growing your hair in the Caribbean climate. Why? Because when your hair is in a protective style, it leaves less room for you to manipulate it and therefore more room for it to grow. I usually use Mali twists. I also use the faux locks, which is one of my favorites. I also do the faux yarn, and I use those methods to protective style my hair. Alright, if you want videos on that, let me know in the comments. Finally, we're gonna talk about monitoring your hair. It is very important that after you have put in those measures to maximize growth and maintain your hair adequately, that you monitor it and ensure that you know what your goal is. Also know that your hair will take its time to grow. Do not try to rush the process, but be very consistent. So I have already washed my hair with the Healthy Strands Cactus and Aloe shampoo, and I deep condition it directly after. So my hair is properly washed and deep conditioned. So just for you to see the texture of my hair right now, this is after it is washed and deep conditioned. Also remember that I did, before this video, trim my hair, trim my ends, so that my hair can grow better. Alright, so this is my hair right now. What we will be doing is using a few of Healthy Strands products to moisturize my hair. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm ready to finger detangle my hair and then use the products I mentioned to add back moisture to my hair. So I'm going to just go through with my fingers, alright, ensuring that there is no knots. Alright, so we're ready to add in the products. I will first go in with this. In the scalp, in the roots of my hair. I'm ready to go in with the Healthy Strands Mango Butter Moisturizer. So I'm going to take a little bit on my hand and start from the ends and then apply going up to the roots. Finally, we are ready to go in with the Healthy Strands Shea Butter Mixture. And I'm going to be using the same method from ends to roots. The ends being the oldest part of your hair, you need the most care and attention. I'm done twisting my hair and this is the end result. As you can see, my hair is super moisturized and it feels great, soft and clean. If you found value in this video, Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and also remember to turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. We will be having a giveaway on this video. Please look down in the comments below for the giveaway instructions. Thank you again for watching.